this video, I will show you how to make a rug using the double knot technique.
Hayko has created a kit that includes all of the components that you will need to make your first rug. The loom is made from 2 dowels, a pickup stick, a weaving needle, and 2 beams. To assemble your loom, place the dowels into the holes on the beams. Tie your warp yarn between 2 teeth on the weaving frame. For the pattern used in this video, wrap the yarn around the beams 16 times. When you finish, wrap the yarn around the first beam 2 or 3 times. Pass the weft between the warp threads that the pickup stick has separated and tie the weft to the dowel on the left. Now we will begin making the pile with the double knot stitch. Each square on the pattern represents 1 double knot. On this rug, we're using brown, red, and yellow. We are going to finish the rug here. However, you can make your rug as long as you like. Now you have a finished rug.
Every time I make a rug, I feel very satisfied. Now that you made your own rug, I hope you feel the same.